Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. You will see this look again in another video, but I already had the look, so I thought why waste it? We still have a box to open, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I am talking about the Macy's beauty box. Now there is a short story I would like to give you involving this box. Now I ordered this for the first time ever in April or May of this year. It was the last box that they were going to be doing due to COVID. We were sent out an email telling us that it would be our last box. I never thought about it again. I figured when Macy's was ready to come back and allow us to purchase their boxes that we would, sorry guys, I have a hair, that we would be sent an email saying, hey, would you like to still subscribe to this box, or something to that effect. So on 9/25 of this year, September 25th, Macy's box was ordered without me. I did not order it. I did not ask to order it. I called them at 8:20 that night to try to cancel this box. Since I did not order it, I was not aware that it was coming back. I had no idea. It shipped on 9/30, and today is October 13th, and today is when it showed up. So they would not cancel my box. They did let me know that if I wanted to return it, they would cancel it that way. So here we are opening it. I just wanted to give my story, ask everybody else if they had gotten an email or if it just magically came out of your checking account without your consent or permission. I don't think that that's good business. Like I said, I had ordered this box once and then there were no more boxes. So it never dawned on me to cancel it. It never dawned on me that I wouldn't get something telling me that, hey, we're back. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and open it and see what's in here. I know that my first one was a pretty good box. I did enjoy it. My first and last one. So, I have not opened it. This is how it comes. The Macy's Beauty Box for October 2020. Chloe is in here, so if you hear her, that is what it is. I do remember that I have a heck of a time opening this box. It smells good. So you do get a little pamphlet. You get a little $5 off card to use at Macy's. And then what's inside the box. So, oh my goodness. Alright. So the box is empty and like falls apart. I don't get their boxes. And then you have a cute little bag and then your contents of the box. So let's go ahead and open the bag. It's a cute little bag. Little clutch. Something in here smells great. So this is Joe Malone London is what it has on the little zipper tag. And then the inside, of course, we have our silica pack, because why not? And then that is what it looks like when you open it. It is pretty good size. I mean, if you're traveling, this would come in handy. Not that we travel anywhere, but if we were to, this would be cute. And it is small enough to actually put in your purse also. So, there's a thought. Alright, let's see if it says anything in here about that. No. Okay, it says, we've chosen the top brands and essential items the beauty obsessed can't live without. Try them now, love them forever. This is the Joe Malone London box. It is $90. It's in value. In this first ever collab, Macy's brings you a special exclusive beauty box loaded with Joe Malone goodies. So this is a collab, first ever, from Macy's and Joe Malone. So that's pretty neat. I do get that. That's cool. So I'm going to open this little thing first. It smells wonderful. Okay, so this is a little candle. That is what it looks like. This is Nectarine Blossom and Honey Mini Candle, inspired by London's Covent Garden. This candle will fill your home with the scent of blooming flowers. Retails for $69. Pro tip, after lighting for the first time, let the entire top layer of wax melt before extinguishing to help extend candles' longevity. So that's pretty cool that they let you know that. Oh, it smells great. So I can't wait to light that. It is wee. It is very wee, but it is very super cute. And it smells good. So I'm okay with that. So the next thing I am coming to... Oh, there's all kinds of little things in here. Okay. The next thing we have is a little perfume sample. This is Blackberry and Bay Cologne. Berries and woods combine to invoke the imaginary and aroma of fresh hand-picked blackberries. This retails for $142. The pro tip for this is spray onto your pulse points to activate and amplify the scent. So there are quite a few perfumes, it looks like, in here. That smells very good. It smells very clean. It's a clean cologne perfume. I guess it says cologne. So is that a men's cologne? I'll have to look that up. Either way, it smells very good. Okay, and this one is Peony and Blush Suede Cologne. A perfect balance of charming and flirty. This floral blend is classically feminine. Notes of red apple and jasmine dial up its delectability. And this retails for $142 full size. The pro tip is make these scents your own by layering them. Alright. That one smells good. It's it's what I envision a younger woman wearing, a very crisp, light scent, if that makes any sense whatsoever. The next one is this one, and this is English Pear and Fresia Cologne. Channeling the essence of fall, this is the scent to wear when reminiscing about those cooler days. Amber and patchouli notes are a relaxing addition. Full size of this is also $142. Pro tip, colognes have a lighter concentration than perfumes, so apply liberally. Alright. Ew. Well, I don't like that one. No. We were doing so good. I don't like that one at all. Alright, the next thing is this. This is the Lime, Basil, and Mandarin Body and Hand Wash. This blend of notes is the luxury brand's signature scent. It's a modern must-have that also conditions and nourishes skin. The full size of this is $44. The pro tip is, after a shower, apply the scented cream for a more lasting fragrance. But this is a hand wash, so there must be a cream that goes with it. It does have a little safety seal on it. I do apologize for the dogs barking. God only knows what's out there and barking at. Now that smells very good. It smells very clean, which sounds totally stupid since it's a wash. It smells clean. So I'm okay with that. And then the last thing in there is this right here. This is wood sage and sea salt body cream. Okay, this is the cream that goes with the wash. So everything I just said, there's the cream. Get soft, moisturized skin while being transported to the coast. Thanks to the rich formula and energizing scent, retails for $86 full size. Apply fresh out of the shower to seal in maximum moisture. So, it smells good too. It's just a white cream. Oh, that smells very good. So, alright, we got a cream moisturizer for after the shower, a body and hand wash, a cute little candle, and then 2 sprays. This one I didn't care for, and this one smells great. So that was our Macy's Beauty Box for October 2020. There is what we ended up receiving. Those are the full sizes. You can see the wash comes with a pump. The moisturizer is quite a bit bigger. Both of the sprays are quite a bit bigger. The candle has a cute little top for the full size. So that was, oh, and then the little sample is one of those. The full size sample would be this one right here. So that is everything that we got in our Macy's box. I'm very excited to have the things. I just, like I said, I wasn't given opportunity to say whether I wanted this box again or not when they just brought it back. So Macy's, in the future, it would be nice to know that you are going to pull money out of our accounts after May, June, July, August, September, October. After 6 months, a little heads up would have been nice. So let me know if you get the Macy's Beauty Box. Let me know what you thought about it this month. Is this the box that went around? Is there a different one? Did you get something else? What did you think about the scents? And if you liked the video, please do give it a like. If you like Macy's, give it a like. If you don't, give it a dislike. Either way, it does show engagement. It does help. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that little button down there. Push subscribe. Ring the bell. Set it to all. You'll get notified of any and every video. And until next time, guys, as always, love yourself. And remember, I love you too. Have a good one. Bye.